inspire women to embrace their authenticity and redefine societal expectations.
I'm a woman who wears a smile on her face and courage in her heart.
I am a compassionate nursing leader, inspiring our future healthcare professionals.
I inspire sowing a seed of learning every day, as lifelong learning is what makes the world go round.
I inspire curiosity, exploration, and new experiences for all women of color.
I am dedicated to empowering women in finance.
I'm a powerful force. I'm a teacher, shaping minds and breaking barriers with the strength of knowledge.
I am the source of inspiration and the catalyst for empowerment.
I am Josefa, and I am driven to break down gender stereotypes.
I am a symbol of strength. I am an empowered woman. I am the change.
I am a supernova of resilience, exploding with creativity and radiating empowerment.
I am an educationist by profession and a mentor by choice. I inspire young girls and women in Pakistan to pursue their dreams without any fear and compromise.
I empower young minds through the beauty of mathematics.
I am dedicated to promoting diversity and equality in workplace, all while being a mother.
I am shaping a future where knowledge of food, inclusivity, and health intersect.
I'm a woman who embraces the freedom to express myself, unleash creativity, and express individuality.
I am the driving force for change, not just on Women's Day, but every day.
I am the epitome of perseverance and strength. I don't ever back down. I'm a woman.
I am breaking barriers.
I am empowered.
I am ambitious.
I am the change. I am determined.
I am the leader.
I'm passionate.
I'm a warrior.
I am hope.
I am growth.
I am resilience.
I am unstoppable.
I am courage.
Enough.
Power.
Progress.
Fearless.
The force.
I inspire inclusion.